never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow.
Alia, can you please be quiet?
It's not my fault. My table is unstable.
Hey, stop! Don't fight! What's wrong?
This table makes a very loud noise and disturb others.
This table also unstable. I don't
Didn't have to cut me off.
feel comfortable writing on it.
Hey! Don't worry guys, I have the best solution.
The absence of suitable desks for students always happen every year in every school, especially in rural area.
According to research, this often happens due to a lack of funds to buy or make comfortable table for students.
So, our group has created an innovation that is very useful for everyone.
So, the innovation called Portable Stack Table.
The meaning of SEC is S for simple, E for easy, C for cheap.
So that this is sketch of our product. First of all, for the body part of table, we arrange the bottle tightly and horizontally, then compass them in a rectangle shape.
Secondly, we put the box on the top and under the bottle. Consequently, the box are between the bottle arrangement. Next, we arrange the bottle vertically with the appropriate height as the leg of the table. We connect the leg with the body part of the table by turning the bottle inside the table leg to connect it to the bottle cap under each corner of the table.
Last but not least, for the body part, we cut off the top of the bottle, then split it in half to connect on two sides of the table.
To use the table, we just need to take the separate part and connect it with using the bottle cap.
So, this is the main item that we use for our product.
And here, the additional item that we use.
Lastly, this is cost for our product.